Hey everybody, this is Chuck, one of the bald guys here at Koaxis RF Coaxial Cable Assemblies. Hey, I just had a great meeting with a customer yesterday. They wanted to talk to me about non-magnetic RF cable assemblies for a cryogenic application. Well, there's not a lot of companies out there that can do non-magnetic RF cable assemblies, and especially for cryogenic applications. It requires a solid PTFE dielectric and non-magnetic cable. In our case, our K-Flex cable is a solid copper center conductor and a copper outer conductor. Magnetism's no problem. Not only that, Koaxis, we design almost all of our own connectors, and we are going to start making select connectors. Non-magnetic is standard. It's a pretty simple thing to do. There's just not a lot of people doing it. Interestingly enough, Koaxis actually has got quite a number of cable assemblies out in the field for cryogenic applications already. So we really do know an awful lot about this stuff, and we're looking forward to helping you out with yours. We're also looking at a number of different semi-rigid assembly options so we can put those into non-magnetic applications and even cryogenics. Once again, it's got to be solid Teflon. That's your best bet. If you need non-magnetic RF cable assemblies, or you need to go in super cold environments like cryogenics for fusion research, particle accelerators, or whatever your customers are doing, or whatever your cool projects are, you give us a call.